Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Ashi and here are 100 Valentine's Day gift ideas. I have split them up into 4 different budget categories: under 100, under 500, under 1000 and above 1000, which includes the luxury sort of products. So let's begin with the first category, which is under 100 budget. Number 1 would be handwritten love letters. This could be written on any white paper or even a printed paper. I feel the coffee stained paper works so well. Pinterest has a bunch of options in this. You can get as creative with it or as uncreative as you can get as creative with it as you want, and it'll turn out really pretty and really personal. And gifts like these are the ones that touch the person's heart the most. Trust me, if you're a guy and you give this to your girlfriend, she is going to love to read your personal thoughts and what you think about her. That is the one thing that she wants to hear the most for Valentine's Day. You can also pair a handwritten love letter along with any other gift that you give to her. That is also an option, and she will still love the letter more than anything else that you give her. Another way of looking at it is that you can write yourself a love letter for being so strong and coming this way so far, and that will also be a great present for yourself, and then you can keep it with yourself and repeat the same cycle every Valentine's Day maybe. Let's move on to the second gift, which is a 52-week love note jar. So the idea is that you write 52 love notes for your partner or yourself if you're giving it to yourself, and each week your partner will pick one note out of it and read it, and that will be their note for the week. You can store them in like a pretty glass jar and decorate it with twine or ribbon or cloth or paint on the jar. Any amount of creativity is possible really. Another pretty gift I feel is a DIY bookmark. Now the bookmark can be made out of leaves, it can be made out of paper the traditional way. You can paint on it, you can paste a picture on it. Ideas are really endless. Pinterest is full of such ideas. So you can go ahead, do your research and make a pretty beautiful bookmark for your partner this Valentine's Day. Another gift idea could be handmade bracelets. That would also work really well. These work really well, or if you're into the thread work, then that works really well as well. DIY keychains is another thing which is very useful as well as wholesome for Valentine's Day. You can make it out of resin, out of clay or anything that you want. Add pictures to it, add quotes to it, add songs to it, add the Spotify QR to it, anything really. For under 100, I think sheet masks are also a very pretty gift option. Like a DIY scented candle will also be a really nice gift. It can easily be purchased under 100 rupees and it can be made under 100 rupees as well. You'll just need to buy simple plain white candles and melt them and put it in like a cute jar, and you can write some message on the jar outside, and that will also be really pretty. A bookmark with pressed flowers is also something which is very nice. This can be made with the flowers that you got them a while ago and they dried, or they can be made out of fresh flowers as well. They can also be made in resin. That will also look really pretty. If your partner is a music lover, then you can also curate a personalized music playlist for them and send them a QR code of the playlist, and they will love it and love listening to it, and I'm telling you, they'll listen to it on a loop. Another gift idea that I just thought of while brewing my tea was a tea strainer like this one. This is one I got from Amazon. This one was around 99 or 97. You can get it even cheaper if you buy it locally, and they can go as high as 300, 350 if you get it from tea shops like Sacha Tea. And if your partner is a tea lover, then I think they'll really like it, because it really reduces the hassle of washing a strainer afterwards, and you can just carry it along with you like a tea bag without the negative harmful effects of a tea bag, without the negative health hazards of an actual tea bag. You can curate all the nice pictures that you have with your partner together, put them in a nice envelope, decorate them, maybe write the date underneath them, give them a more of a postcard sort of a look. You can also gift your partner a custom printed card. Another really cute gift would be a DIY fridge magnet. You can use pictures on it, you can use doodles on it, or you can make cutesy heart shapes or other shapes of fridge magnets using clay. You can also give your partner plants, like mini small plants. You can get cactuses under 100, and if you buy it from a local nursery, you can get bigger plants also under 100. Our plants and rose plants, you can get them for around 30 or 40 rupees, and if your partner is a plant lover, and even if they are not, they are going to love it. You can also decorate the plastic pot that they come in. You can write notes on it, you can write messages. You can buy your partner a pack of scented tea light candles. You can get them on Blinkit as well, and they are such a pretty gift. If you are comfortable into painting or sketching, then you can make a portrait of your partner and you can gift it for them. Friendship bands is also another great gift. I'm not wearing an actual friendship band, it's a bracelet, but you can buy them a friendship band. It really reminds me of the time when we were in school and friendship bands were all the rage. You can gift your partner a Polaroid photo set, and you can actually put it on like a string of lights and clips on it and photos. It is again a little 2010-ish, but such a cute aesthetic gift, and your partner is going to love it. You can customize your partner's phone case for them. You can add pictures or paint on it. Another gift could be a chocolate dipped pretzel. Just one is enough, or maybe a nice handmade cookie could also be really nice. You can make a DIY paper flower bouquet, or even there are tons of tutorials online and they are very easy to make. Nowadays there are even bouquets out of those flower shaped clutches, and they totally have my heart, and you can give it to your partner as well. You can make them a coupon book which has several coupons of what you can do for them. For example, a coupon of head massage or shoulder massage, or one for taking them out for a date or buying them a pizza, something like that. You can also get them a cute stationery set, and Meesho is full of them. You can get them a jar of bath salts. You can make them yourself by buying Epsom salt, or you can buy them online. You can get them framed handwritten quotes, like you can write a quote on an A4 size paper and you can frame it and you can gift it to them, and they are going to love it. You can also add pictures to it to make it more personalized. You can get a doodled artwork for them that will also be really pretty, or you can make them a flower bouquet with origami to give it a more of a luxurious feel, and they are going to love it as well. The second category is under 500, and now the budget is a bit more. You can get them a scented candle under 500. You can get it on Amazon or Meesho, even on Blinkit. There are amazing options on Blinkit. There is a particular brand name is Aura on Blinkit, and I love it. You can also get them a personalized mug with a personalized message or a picture on it. You can get them a tote bag with a custom design. Many small businesses do that. Or you can paint a tote bag yourself and give it to them as well. You can get them a mini photo album, DIY it yourself, and you can get them a Polaroid set of photos, succulent in a ceramic pot. Now normal plants are much cheaper, but a ceramic pot is a little bit more expensive, but you can get it under ₹500 very easily, and it looks really pretty. There are also some with custom messages on the ceramic pot, so that is also something which you can do. You can get them a tea or coffee sampler set. You can get them online on so many businesses. My personal favorite is the one from Sacha Tea Boutique. I'm in love with this brand. You can also give your girlfriend a Namya tea pack. This tea is specifically for women's relief, and it really has proven really helpful to me, and it is something which actually tastes good as well. A customized phone case is another option. You can get it online. I personally love the neon sand ones with their name or a date written on it. A paperback novel is also another option. Now you can get it under 100 also, but the good ones you'll find around 500 or like 200 or 300. You can get a customized Spotify song plaque from Amazon. You can put your favorite song or a song that you want to dedicate to your partner. You can give your partner decorative fairy lights. I have one in my room, you can see here, and it really adds such a charm to the room, and I'm sure your partner will love it as well. If you are a girl and want to give your boyfriend something similar, then you can give them LED light strips. Guys love them. Guys are crazy over them in my opinion, and I've seen so many people have put them around their television or around their PC and stuff, and I'm sure your guy will love it as well. You can also give your partner a bath bomb set, Bath and Body Works or some other brand. You can find many of them online. You can also get them in a handcrafted soap set. Now Nykaa does this, Nat Habits does this, so many other brands do this. And also there's this one particular brand that I've seen on Nykaa several times, which sells these cute soaps in the shapes of desserts like cakes and ice creams. I'm just adding the pictures here, and the links will be in the description. I will try to add the links there. And you can also buy this for your partner, and they are going to absolutely love it. Get your partner a personalized pen as well if they are someone who love writing. And when it comes to writing, you can also give them a journal from a small business or from Amazon. You can also make your partner a DIY memory box which has special memories from all the places that you've been. It can include images, receipts, tickets, boarding passes, or anything else. A heart-shaped cushion is also something that your partner might love. Another new cushion that I've seen these days are like rose shaped cushions, and they are also something which is really pretty. They are also available on Meesho too, and you can get them for very little price as well. You can get your partner chocolates from a local brand. There are several brands on Instagram. I can remember this brand named Chocastotin and this another brand that I'm adding the picture of here. I saw them in Lucknow at a local market, and this is not sponsored by the way, but I really liked their work, so I thought it would be nice to tell you about them. You can also gift your partner a nice makeup pouch. Now Nykaa is the perfect place for this, and you can get them on Meesho and Amazon too. It could be something cute with cute flamingos on it, maybe, or maybe something metallic. You can give them in bigger size or smaller size, but many cute pouches are there available online, and they are a very cute gift as well, and a very useful one too. You can also gift your partner a customized poster set. A personalized calendar with photos is also something which is really heart touching. If your partner travels a lot, then you can get them a travel size skincare kit. You can also buy your partner an aromatherapy roll on, and they are going to love that as well. You can gift your partner a personalized keychain. These tea strainers from Sacha Tea are so adorable. Instead of buying one fridge magnet, you can buy a bunch of them and make a collage for their fridge. That is also something very sweet. You can also get a DIY dry erase board for their fridge to write grocery lists or even for their workspace.
Since the video was getting too long, I had to split it into two parts, and part 2 containing the gifts of around 1000 and above 1000 will be live tomorrow. And till then I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and I hope you got some amazing ideas for your Valentine's Day. Please do comment, share and subscribe to this channel, and do mention any thoughts of yours that you have in the comments section.